So I have a question for both of you. First, I want to ask Michael, will commercialization of space won't lead to exploitation of space like Earth?
Commercialization, again, the culture, again, it's important to understand, and I'm answering your question, but I'm just saying it this way. Gaining understanding is really important to understand a culture, because culture is what drives everything, regardless of what the strategy is. The strategy is to be green. If the strategy is to do something XYZ, it doesn't matter if the culture, it's about profit over people. And again, if someone wants profit over people, they should have at it. That's fine. But the way the system's set up now, the culture of the system globally, not just one part of the planet, globally, it's designed for profit above all. In 1971, there was a Nobel Peace Prize that was given to, his name is escaping at the moment, but he's from the Chicago Business School, and the Nobel Peace Prize that was given to him, I want to say Freeman, I think it was Freeman, but 1971 Nobel Peace Prize for business was that the company's responsibility is not to the society, but to bring a return for the shareholders or the stakeholders of that organization, and not to the community. And he won a Nobel Peace Prize back in 1971. And so within 10 years, you saw that attitude kick in regards to how Wall Street and all the other stock markets around the planet took off. If that's what people want to do, they should do that. But the way the current culture is right now, it is profit over people, profit over patience, profit over above anything. And so you want to maximize your profits and minimize your loss. And the way you minimize your loss is that you socialize your cost and you privatize the profits. And that's the culture we live in right now. So I think commercialization is fine, but not under the current culture that we have right now. That's destructive from what I'm seeing. From what I'm seeing. I hope I answered your question.
Yeah, thank you so much, Michael.
So
Adriano, what are your thoughts on this?
yes, thank you. Well, I think commercialization of space is key to the opening of the space frontier. We will never open the frontier if we let only the military and the governments and the military to hold the domain of space, of the orbits and so on. So the commercialization of space is really necessary if we want to expand, to try to begin expanding civilization. When we talk about exporting our bad social uses that we have on Earth to space, we have to try to see this problem in a different way. I mean, we are used on Earth, being 8 billion, sharing this small planet, to think in terms of scarce resources. So we are used to think in terms of very limited raw materials, energy, money, etc., etc. But we have to think that the real richness is not money, it is the know-how and the ability to work. So the know-how and the people. The people is real richness. So if and when we will be working in a different context, in a context of abundant resources, and the solar system is definitely a place where there is a very, very big amount of resources that will be enough for trillions of people to develop in the next centuries and millennia, our social understanding will not be the same anymore. Because if we think that there is enough for everybody, I could say that the natural human greedy and avidity will percentually decrease among the population, among the growing population, and our social behaviors will be improved just by the fact that we will have abundant resources, so we will not be anymore forced to fight each other and to exploit each other and so on. So you may think that this is a kind of utopian view, but I can say that we definitely need new utopias, because until when we will be only thinking in terms of the growth and renouncing to our style of living because of the environment, because of climate change, because of the pandemics, etc., we will never start growing up as a civilization. Therefore, the space renaissance intuition, if you want, our vision, is that acceding to a big abundance of resources, we will not be the same anymore. And our humanity will improve, and we will become more humans from the point of view of ethics, morality, respect for the other, for our brothers and sisters, and respect for the nature. And we should not forget that the nature is not only the nature of this planet. The whole solar system is nature. The whole galaxy is nature. The universe is nature. So we are immersed in a cosmic ecology. And the problem is, and here, okay, I am deviating a little bit from your question, because your question was on economics. I'm going to I'm making a small deviation into the philosophical domain. Okay, I will let it for another question. It is better. So let's stay on the economic side of the problem. So I think that, however, to open the space to the private companies and to the commercial initiatives is definitely a good thing. Of course, we should also try to learn the lessons of the past and try not to go there to be sharks, you know. But I mean that in a very big ocean, there will be place also for sharks. In terms of greedy entrepreneurs that want to take many resources. Okay, take many. There are other. There is plenty for everybody. So we are not anymore constrained to fight, no, to have a fight among different classes, because well, on Earth we have or the masters or the workers, okay? Because in some way there is not enough resources for everybody, but in space there will be. So we can have even different social models in the diaspora when we will start really expanding in the solar system. There, different communities will be founded, and they can experiment different social models. They can experiment. Let's say socialist models or liberalist models or something else that we cannot even imagine right now. But if we think about a big space to expand, we can think about cultural differentiation. And you know that evolution works with differentiation, not with homologation, not with one only thought is to be adopted by everybody, otherwise we will not be. No. Different models can be developed in space when we will have enough space and resources around. So I maintain that our priority is to open the frontier. And yes, we also we cannot avoid to be concerned about our behaviors, our social behaviors, etc. Yes, but however, our priority is to open and start to go outside. Otherwise, the civilization is at risk. We risk very much more staying closed in this closed planet than to open it. Even if something evil can come out with us. Okay, this is my thought. I don't know. Maybe I went outside your question in some way.
Okay, it was very nice having you
Thanks so
guys.
much, sir, for this.
Yeah.